Hi friends, good afternoon and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be discussing how to prepare a quote, or else you can say how to estimate the cost of fabricating mild steel bin. This Here you can have a look at this image wherein you can notice a fabricated steel bin, and after fabrication it is being coated also. So now let's discuss in detail what this cost estimation is all about. Okay, please do have a look at this tabular column wherein our requirement here is just to fabricate one number of mild steel bin, and the material which we will be considering for fabricating the same bin will be of mild steel, and our requirement is one number. So we need to make the cost estimation for one number of steel bin. So now fabrication, it's a process wherein a lot of activities are involved, like bending, marking, cutting, welding, painting, drilling, likewise so many activities. And each in order to fabricate each and every product, there may be different processes associated with these industries. So here our requirement is steel fabrication, a fabricated bin. Now in order to make a in order to have a proper idea about a cost estimation, you need to know what are the factors to be considered for estimating the same, for making a cost estimation. So the first requirement is your material. You need to procure material from market, and after that you'll have to go for processing the steel in order to convert it to a finished product. Like you need to use men material and machines in order to process the same to a finished product. And thereafter you'll have to go for a painting. Then once it is done, your product is being almost done. So you need to know material procurement, and then the machineries and the labor charges to be analyzed for fabricating. Like how much man hours is required, like welder, fitters, riggers, likewise, and what are the machineries and accessories required for all these things you'll have to consider. So now let's start one by one. Please do have a look at this table wherein you will notice what are the requirement of the materials to be used. So here we are going for, in order to fabricate this steel bin, we are using a angle of size 35 by 35 by 6 mm, and this is a equal angle. So if you refer angle dimension chart, you will get the weight per meter of the angle. But here as already estimated, the weight is 30 kg. So and the unit rate which you need to spend per kg is 60 rupees. Actually the mild steels which are to be procured from market, and this mild steel rate varies from cities to cities, and it depends upon the time also. So here I am assuming that this steel is being fabricated Chennai side, so I am considering 60 rupees. Suppose if I am buying the steel from market, on an average the price varies from 40 to 50 per kg. So here I am considering 60, and I am assuming at 10 rupees extra just for my profit margin. So the rate per kg here assumed is 60. So now your total weight is 30 kg. So for my total cost estimation for a angle will come around 1800 rupees, and this which you can arrive at by multiplying this 60 this 30 kg by 60 rupee, because your 60 rupees per kg the rate which you are paying, so you will be getting 1800 per rupees. And now you need to make the estimation for flat bars. These flat bars are provided at the bottom of the steel beams just for strengthening purpose. So here we are going ahead with that flat bar of 32 by 6 mm, and our estimated weight is 20 kg, and likewise the same rate which you are using here, as it is mild steel only. So your total cost will be 1200 rupees. And now you'll have to provide wire mesh also, because here you are saying the wire mesh, this is a wire mesh, and the wire mesh which we are considering is 1 inch by 1 inch, that is 25 mm by 25 mm. And these wire meshes are available market, and this is being sold on square feet basis, and the rate per square feet for this 1 inch by 1 inch meshes, wire meshes, 100 rupees. So our total requirement is 25 square feet. So and you multiply this 25 by 100, you will be getting 2500 rupees. So this will be your cost which you need to spend for procuring this wire mesh. Now once all these materials are procured, then you'll have to use your machineries, accessories, tools like welding rods, welding machine, grinding machines, and like so many machines and accessories. And for that also you have to keep an overhead, and you'll have to provide manpower for providing this for fabricating this steel bin, like a welder, a helper, a labor. So on that basis, here I am considering a consolidated amount of 3800 rupees. These 3800 rupees will be the fabrication charges to be provided for manpower. This will be the overall charges to be spent for fabricating this one steel number by using manpower, material, machines, and painting, coating, everything, etc. So etc. And these charges, suppose if you are materials provided by some other client, and you are going to fabricate the steel bin only by using labor, then you need to spend only labor charge, and this labor charges will be on an average 15 rupees per kg, based on current market, and it varies depending upon the mild steel price also. So okay, so here my total charges I am considering the 3800 as a consolidated amount, but and these charges, manpower, labors, machineries, everything may vary depending upon the complication of the fabrication process. So now you have got the this fabrication, labor charges, consumable, etc. as 38,800. Now you'll have to add up all these values, and you'll be arriving at a value of 9300 rupees. And again, this is the actual money which we'll have to spend for fabricating this steel bin at site. And apart from that, we need to have a profit margin also. So for that, I am assuming a profit margin of 10%. So after keeping a profit margin of 10%, you will get a value of 930. And again, by adding up these two values, you will be arriving at 10,230 rupees. So this will be your cost which you have to spend for fabricating this steel bits. And apart from that, you will have to pay VAT also. And because if you are buying material from market, and if you are fabricating a product, and then again you are selling to another client, and yeah, there is some value which you are getting added, so that will be your value added tax. For that, you need to pay some amount as the rules and norms provided by the government. So you'll have to add that also, depending upon whether you are providing is to within a state, or if you are supplying this product outside the state. It depends. So that's all the customization is all about. Hope you all might have enjoyed this video session, and again I'll be coming up with more and more videos. Please do share your comments, queries, and feedbacks as applicable, and I'll be always happy to assist you. Thank you so much for listening.